Let's be honest here. This is not your first time watching a YouTube video on procrastination while procrastinating. Let's be honest again, shall we? Those videos you watched didn't change a thing. The truth is, no video ever will. So you ask, what is the point of this video, right? The point of this video is to drop truth bombs, which might hurt you. I mean, is it even true if it didn't hurt? Don't worry, my prime intention is not to hurt you, but help you with these truths. Because truth always helps, always. I will break it into 4 parts. Let's call it the 4 noble truths of procrastination. The last one is the only one you will ever need though. So let's begin. Truth number 1. You didn't click on this video because you want to find a solution for your maniac habit of procrastination. You clicked because you want cheap motivation. Or to put it in a better way, you want to again feel that cozy, mussy, warm feeling you get when you consume all this so-called self-help content. Truth number 2. You are still hopeful. You still believe you can change. You always had the desire to change. You don't like the way you behave. You hate yourself for it. But the truth is, you can be hopeful till death. You can believe till death. You can procrastinate till death. You can hate yourself till death. It won't change a ducking thing. Having only good intentions serves no one. Truth number 3. You are not lazy. You never were. You might have believed all this while that you procrastinate because you are lazy, but that's not true. So from now on, never call yourself lazy. Call yourself what you truly are: weak. Yes, that's what you are. Weak, not lazy. You procrastinate because of your weakness, not laziness. If you are wondering what difference does it makes, then you need to stop wondering and listen to this part of this video with all your focus. Take a deep breath. Do it. Inhale, exhale. Done? Okay, so hear this. We humans are capable of perspectives, different point of views. And you know what enables that unique quality? Language. You might have believed all this while that you see this world through your eyes, but that's not true. We see the world through language. Think about it. The image of the world we witness in our brain is painted with words. If you are thinking I'm going on a tangent here, then trust me, I'm not. One of the most crucial reasons behind your inability to figure out life is your inability to paint properly with words. Our perceived reality is a play of words. Let me explain. You see, when you say you are lazy, it does not help you in any way. But when you say I'm weak, it affects you. You feel that twinge of insult. You feel your ego shifting. Let me give you another example. I lack motivation, you often say, don't you? That is not true either. You don't lack motivation, you lack courage. Did you notice the difference in the perspectives and how drastically it changes our mindset? Again, when you say, I lack courage, you feel a bite in your gut. You feel insulted. So next time you procrastinate, don't say I'm lazy and I'm not motivated. Instead say, I procrastinate because I am weak and I lack courage. Truth number 4. This is the truth that no one ever tells you. And deep down you also wish that they never do. Otherwise, what would be the point, right? I mean, wouldn't that disturb the entire ecosystem of them creating a one video after another on procrastination and you consuming them like a junkie while procrastinating? You don't want to face the reality, face the truth. I don't blame you. This is how we humans are. Though we pretend we are truth seekers, we are not. We are in search of comforting lies, not the truth. For the lies have a variety to offer, and each of us can choose one for our liking. But the truth provides no such variety. Fortunately or unfortunately, The truth is one, and we fear we might not like it, so we run from it as long as possible. So without further ado, let me reveal the ultimate truth that cured me of my 20-year-old habit of procrastination. Are you ready? So here it is. The truth is, if you want to stop procrastinating, then stop procrastinating. That is it. There is no other way around. If anyone is telling you otherwise, they are lying. They don't care about you. All they care about is your attention, your eyeballs. I hope it made sense.